If we're making doors, the way to make them very stable and the most appealing is to make it like a picture frame. Make the stiles and the rails have very straight grain so that the eye is not distracted. You wouldn't want the grain running off the direction over here and this one running maybe the same direction. The door might look crooked. So if I use straight grain on the perimeter, then I can use the wider cathedral grain, much like this rough panel, for the center in here. So I'm going to make a raised panel door similar to this, but with solid wood and raised detail. So how do I go about making all these parts? Well, let's get this out of our way and focus on the door panel. I've found some stock that was wide enough to make my door panel out of, and using the same process, I'll rip this into two parts so that there's the proper size to go through my machines. I will join them, edge them, plane them, glue it up, and plane it to its final thickness like we did with our blanket chest side. That's the easy part. Now I need to make the rails with all that, and stiles with all that straight grain. So what I've done is I've just made out of a piece of cardboard a pattern so that I can find the straightest grain on this board that's got grain going every direction. So I can use a Sharpie marker. That'll be the easiest way to make everybody see what I've got going on here. And just by setting it on here, I can see how that part might turn out. So I'll come over to the edge, and I notice there's a little discoloration here, so I want to get out of that. So I'll come in and get the grain going as straight as possible. And sometimes I'll follow a grain line and I'll see it comes maybe a 1/4 inch from here, shift it over a little bit. So there's one part. Now what I'll do is I can either use a jigsaw or a bandsaw and cut these parts out. Now what I've drawn is the parts to their final dimension, so I just want to make sure I cut outside the line, and now I've got a rough sawn blank, much like I've done with my other material, and I'll treat it the same. I'll join it and square it up, I'll plane them and rip them to their final width. With my grain selected, the parts jointed and planed, I can see the straight grain of the perimeter stiles and rails, and the cathedral grain of the panel will turn into a nice door. I'll cut the joinery and show you the results a little later.